Morning WRCC fans, and you can hear I'm out of breath because I've been running about. We're dodging Storm Eunice this morning, and we're not doing a very good job of it because it's raining. This is the first actually wet WRCC walk around I've ever done because it started raining halfway up here, up the old track. This morning we've got a new arrival, one of about 6 or 7 that are going to be coming on in the next couple of weeks. This is fresh out of the WRCC Workshop. Just stand back so you can see her. It is Almond green, 1968 Traveller, refurbished by WRCC over the last few weeks. So you've got all the paintwork's been done. It's absolutely chucking it down now. I'm getting wet. The wood's been stripped. The wood were exceptionally good anyway, but if you can see it, it looks absolutely great. Finished in Osmo oil, fungicide UV protection, so that's nice and protected. New windpiping, wings off. The underside's all been stripped. There were a few repairs on her, and they've all been done and recoated up underneath, so you've got that peace of mind. Paintwork, as I say, has been done, and it's just been machine polished actually, and now it's getting absolutely wet through, so that's great. Got a train going past, so I'll just keep quiet for a sec. Recon wheels, new chrome. So that's all looking great. Go right round now. As I say, I mean, you can have a close with the woodwork. You got the WRCC wings, as per of all our cars there. That's your WRCC seal of approval. Paintwork's lovely, bottom of the door's all good, no bubbling or anything. All good on the roof. Woodwork superb. Refurbished front seats, as you can see, like new. Done in the WRCC Workshop. New sun visors, headlining's been tidied up, cream fleck. All absolutely perfect up there. I think we'll put a new one in. Back seats all perfect. Brand new carpet in her. Temperature and oil pressure gauges. It's got 6 keepers on the logbook, as this one I've just had a look. 1968. Showing 31,568 miles. Obviously there's not every MOT there, so we can't guarantee that. Really nice to drive. I've just driven it up the bumpy old track and it's nice and smooth. Runs well. We'll open the bonnet for you so you can have a look at that. Dash is nice and clean, glove box line is all good. Engine bay is nice and clean. Inner wings, flick type weights, all the usual notoriously bad minor spots in the engine bay are all nice and clean, as you can see. It's a very nice clean car. I mean, it's tidied up and made an exceptionally nice car. A fair bit of work's gone into it. So it's offered at 16,495, and for that you're getting a fully serviced, fully prepped up car that you sort of got the peace of mind of buying a prepped up car. Basically it's had everything done to it, so you can just buy it and use it and enjoy it. Obviously we can do the bits and pieces of upgrades if you wanted: servo brakes, disc brakes, electronic ignition, alternator, all that, all those upgrades as part of the course. So I'm getting absolutely soaking wet through now, so I'm going to go back down there. If you want further details, give us a call on 01422 881221. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk, and then the car's going to be on the website this afternoon, which is www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Thank you. Bye.